Welcome to our immersive journey to the heart of Moroccan culture with Exploring Moroccan Tradition Against Modernity. Join us to delve into the captivating world of the Moroccan living room, where timeless tradition converges with contemporary innovation. Embark on a journey through time as you discover the essence of the Moroccan living room, showcasing its traditional elements such as exquisite tiles, vibrant textiles, and ornate decorations. Prepare to be enchanted by the fusion of tradition and modernity as we highlight contemporary interpretations of the Moroccan living room. Discover how designers seamlessly blend traditional patterns with modern sensibilities. Through interviews with cultural experts and artisans, you'll gain unique insight into the evolution of Moroccan living room design, from its humble origins to its current renaissance. Discover the delicate balance between preserving tradition and embracing innovation. Whether you are a design enthusiast, a culture connoisseur, or simply curious about the magic of Moroccan interiors, exploring Moroccan tradition against modernity promises to captivate your senses and ignite your imagination. Join us on this fascinating journey as we celebrate the timeless appeal of the Moroccan living room and its enduring legacy in a rapidly changing world. Don't miss this unforgettable experience. Subscribe now and embark on an adventure through the vibrant tapestry of Moroccan culture.